TFNN. Headline News Update. Here's Tom O'Brien.
Welcome, folks. We have the Dow Industrials right now down 75. Nasdaq's up 59. S&Ps are down 12.5. Gold contracts down $8.40 at 11.48. Now, we already have 127,000 contracts in the gold. We've already gone over the highs, so that what you're going to have here is you're going to have higher highs with volume. Bottom line, gold wants higher price. Silver, same setup in silver. Silver has the volume, had the price spread. Down 9 cents right now, $14.76. That also wants to run up to that $16 area. Platinum's down $6 at $9.02. You have copper down 3 pennies at $2.10 a pound. Light sweet crude down 68 cents, $31.04. Oil market, same type of setup, just the opposite, meaning oil has come down, light volume, it's already rejected twice. Rejected lower twice this morning. I suspect they're either going to be flat or slightly higher. Bonds. The 10-year note is down 5 ticks, 130.03. 30-year bond off 10 ticks, 162.14. Those basically have been, they spiked higher, come slightly lower now. We'll see if we get any volume off that high. King dollar. King dollar up by 678 ticks, 97.16. King dollar actually made a lower low. Has volume, you get a bounce going, but what you're going to have now is that you're going to have a daily and a weekly on King Dollar that has lower lows with huge volume. King Dollar wants to go down into this 94 area. The euro is down 85 at 111, and the yen is trading at 114.87. If we take a look at the S&Ps out here, folks, what you're going to see is this, is that we came in yesterday, you tested the highs, couldn't handle the highs, back down. As it was backing down, it was backing down with dramatically lighter volume. What we're doing out here today thus far is that you hit 189.70 on the S&Ps. Low of yesterday was 189.96. You're already at 190. You're going to see this highly volatile market continue. I expect what you're going to see between the S&Ps and the Dow is going to be flat to slightly higher. The NDX 100, that's been having a hard time catching a bid. What you have here, however, is that this is the third day that you're going into the lows, and each and every day it has been contracting. It's going to be pretty wild watching this shakeout here today. The reason being is that we're going into a 61 million down day. That is not the benchmark, however. The benchmark is 86 million. Thus far, you did 9.7. That is saying that number one, you're going to have lighter volume. Number two, we'll see whether, if in fact, that rejection of that $100 area stays. 10-year notes. What we have with the 10-year notes out here, hit a high today of 130.22. You've done 1.1 million contracts. That very well could be the test of the spike high on Wednesday. The key is how are these notes and the bonds are going to come off this high. If we stay up here, you can get to higher price. You come off the high. If we come off that high with volume, that would indicate that that market is just about done. It's going to have a deep retracement, and we'll see how that does shake out. Gold. What do we have with the gold contract? Gold wants higher price. Gold went higher today. Already had 129,000 contracts. That's huge contracts, by the way, folks. So now what you're going to have in the gold market, you're going to have a daily, a weekly, high spike. Gold is trading 11.49. That wants to run up to this 11.91 area. This 10 a.m. update is brought to you each and every day by Everbank. For more information on the products they offer, you can give them a call at 855-750-4051. That's 855-750-4051, or you can visit everbank.com/TFNN. Have a great day. Have a safe day. Look forward to speaking to you right back here, 10 o'clock Monday morning.
Today, it's hard to tell if the economy is coming or going. Regardless, I want my money going in the direction I choose. If that's your stance as well, then you want to know how Everbank can help keep your money thriving just the way you want. Is growing your money a priority? Everbank is committed to a yield pledge promise to pay high yields on your checking, money market, and CD balances. Looking to diversify? Everbank ingeniously developed accessible ways to spread your money around the world into foreign currencies and even non-FDIC insured metals. And when it comes to your wealth, they bring a highly experienced and global perspective to help you manage it. Everbank's financial philosophy flies in the face of the status quo. They believe your money's performance should not be determined by today's economic circumstances, but by the drive to rise above them and create opportunities that favor your objectives. If that excites you, like it does me, call 1-855-750-4051 to find out what they can do for you. That's 1-855-750-4051. Call them today. Everbank is a member FDIC and equal housing lender.